Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Arvanita. I'm an assistant professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take App Development CCS332 Regulation 2021. Today's agenda, we are going to see a native app development framework and programming language for native app development. Now we can see the native app development framework. In this, we are going to say React Native. React Native is the most common recommended mobile application framework in the development industry. Framework is created by the Facebook. This open source framework that offer you develop more mobile application for Android and iOS platform. The React Native framework is based on React and JavaScript. It aims to develop native app application over hybrid application that run on WebView. Moreover, it is a cross-platform development framework that use single code base for both Android and iOS. You can see the benefits of React Native mentioned below here. Code reusability and cost effective. A single code base can be used for both Android and iOS, reducing the development time and cost. Compatible and with a third-party plugin. Easily integrate with an external plugin and native module to extend the app functionality. Reusable component for optimal performance. Uses reusable component that improve development efficiency and app performance. Provide hard development features. Allows the developers to see the real-time changes without rebuilding the entire apps. Easy of maintenance. Simplified code structure makes updates, debugging, and maintenance easier. There are various well-known mobile applications built with the React Native, such as Instagram, SoundCloud, Uber Eats, and many more. And we can see the next framework is Xplan. Xplan is one of the most popular open source framework used to develop the mobile applications. The framework acquired by the Microsoft, it is based on .NET and allow you to build up native application for Android, iOS, Windows platform. Xplan comes with almost every required tools and library needed to build the native application and offer you to create rich experience using native UI elements. Moreover, Xplan is also supports the features of sharing the common code base to make the development process more efficient and cost effective. There are various benefits of Xplan, some of them mentioned here. Huge community for around 1.4 million developers, native app API access and UI support, easier API Instagram, target all platform, cost effective and faster development process. Some of the most popular mobile applications that can build in Xplan, there is OLO, Alexa Airline, then Suryo and many more. Now we can see the we can see the next framework. There is Flutter. There is Flutter is an open source mobile application SDK that was launched by Google. It is a Google UI kit such as used to develop the beautiful natively compiled application for web, mobile, and desktop through the single code base. We can see the features of Flutter: fast development, built-in material design, increased time to market speed, rich motion, API, own rendering engine, strong widget support, similar to native app performance. I will see the example for a Flutter app. There is Alibaba, then Google Ads, cryptography apps are created by the Flutter. Now we can see the programming language for native app development. We can use Java and Kotlin for Android device. There is Java is the most popular flexible coding environment, widely used object-oriented programming language designed by James Kotlin. Using Java, we can create a variety of applications such as desktop application, enterprise application, cloud-based and web-based application. Usually, it is used to develop the backend. Java is a primary choice for the developers when it comes to Android application development. Note that Android is itself, it is written in a Java. Pros and cons of Java. Memory pros means memory is managed by the JVM automatically. JVM Java virtual machine. It is more secure, platform independent, highly secure, provide the vast community support. Then we can see disadvantage of Java. Syntax in Java is more complex and larger. A long binder and complex code. Its performance very poor. I can see the Kotlin language. Kotlin language is a modern and open source, statically typed programming language developed with JetBrains, designed for consistent safety and full interoperability with the Java. As preferable language for Android development, it also supports multi-platform development, iOS, desktop, and web and backend services. It features null safety, type interference, and core routines for asynchronous programming. Now we see the key aspects of Kotlin: Android development, interoperability, KVM, then consistency, features, and ecosystem. Android development means Kotlin is a main language for native Android application with the Android KDX providing the specific optimization. Interoperability means it's a 100% compatible with the Java. Then multi-platform means it is supporting the more than one type of languages. It is enabling the sharing the code for across the iOS, Android, desktop, and web platform. Consistent and safe. Kotlin reduce the boilerplate code and prevent the common programming errors like null pointer exception. It features means it support the core routine for asynchronous programming, type inference, functional programming elements, and ecosystem. Ecosystem maintained by the JetBrains with stronger support from Google. I can see the basic syntax for creating the variable like immutable variable, immutable variable function. Mutable variable can be declared like that. We can specify the variable name as var equal to count equal to 0. Then you can immutable variable we cannot specify any variable type here. Then function you can give like that. You can give the specification of name of the function. Then you can write the printing statement here. Then we can see the pros and cons of Kotlin. It is compatible with the existing Java code. It is inoperable with the Java. It increases team productivity. It is easily maintainable, then easily buggy and more reliable. It provides rich API for app development side. Then cons for Kotlin: the complication of speed is slow. And then compilation Kotlin for is slow. Then it can have the smaller developer community. Memory consumption is high. Now we can see the language for iOS. That is Swift and Objective-C. Swift is the most popular language, and Objective-C is a low-level language. There is Swift and Objective-C are programming language used for developing the iOS application for Apple device like iPhone and iPad. Swift is developed by the Apple in the year of 2014. It is a modern, fast, and easy to read the syntax. So it is a safer language with automatic memory management. It's preferable for the new iOS development. Example for creating the simple printing statement, you can give the UI kit as an importing statement. Then you can give the printing statement look like that. In this print statement, you can type the statement of the what we have to print here. That can be done in a simple statement here. Finally, we can conclude the session. In this, we are seeing the multiple framework in this creating the mobile application, as well as we have seen the language for creating the app. We have seen the Java and Kotlin and Swift and iOS Objective-C that can be used vastly here. Thank you.